Tutorials. In this video, we are going to do exercise 1.1 question 1, third part. The question says use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of 867 and 255. As we saw in the earlier videos, here 867 is greater than 255. So we will be dividing 865 by 255 till we get the remainder as 0. As soon as we get the remainder 0, the divisor at that stage will be our HCF, that is highest common factor for both these numbers. Let's proceed to do the solution. Here, as I said, 867 is greater than 255. So we apply Euclid's division lemma to A is equal to 867 and B is equal to 255 to find the quotient and the remainder. And we will be writing that in this format, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus r, where r, that is our remainder, will range between 0 and our divisor. So when we divide 867 by 255, we get the quotient as 3 and remainder as 102. So 867 dividend is equal to divisor, that is 255 into quotient 3 plus remainder 102. Since the remainder is not equal to 0, here in this case 102 is the remainder. Since it is not equal to 0, we will be repeating the Euclid's division algorithm till we get 0 as the remainder. So here 255 we take that as our dividend and the remainder 102 as the divisor, and we will proceed. Here 255 will be equal to 102q plus r, where our r will range between 0 and the divisor 102. When we divide 255 by 102, we get 2 as the quotient and 51 as the remainder. So 255 will be equal to 102 into 2 plus 51. Again, in this step, we see that remainder is not equal to 0. So we will be repeating the step. Again, we will be applying the Euclid's algorithm to the divisor at the previous step, that is 102, and the remainder, that is 51, such that 102 will be equal to 51 into q plus r, where our remainder will range between 0 and the divisor 51. When we divide 102 by 51, we get 2 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. That is 102 is equal to 51 into 2 plus 0. Since we got 0 as the remainder, we will be stopping and we will be finding the HCF. The HCF is the divisor at this step. Here in this step, divisor is 51. Hence, the HCF of 867 and 255 will be the divisor of the previous step, the last step, that is 51. So 51 is the divisor of 867 and 255. So this is how we solve this problem, and thank you for watching and stay tuned to get more updates and more videos. Do like, share and subscribe to YARY Tutorials. Thank you.